LD is go for flight 5.
Rock.
Rock, range green.
We are go for launch.
There you heard it, folks. We've got 3 green buttons on the screen there, 3 green lights. Chief Engineer, Launch Director, and the Range Ops Commander all go for launch, now less than 90 seconds away, a minute and a half, folks. So here's the plan. We're going to let you listen in to the sounds from the pad. Just tune right into the noise of summer from the rocket launch. I guess the noise of summer here is the rocket launch itself. We'll let you listen to the launch net. We'll let you listen to the sounds, the venting and stuff from the pad. And we're going to do our very best to be quiet, but we are coming up on 1 minute.
T-minus 60 seconds.
Acknowledging helium. Acknowledging air rack.
T-minus 30 seconds. Alpha is transitioning to autonomous mode.
Normal stage 1 TVC motion.
T-minus 10, 9, 8, abort.
Elsie, go ahead and start your safing operations.
Copy, we're starting safing operations. No fires on video.
I see no fires on video.
Copy, please turn off roll purge. GC.
Roll purge closed.
Confirm we're in manual.
Copy. City 1, release system is now safe. Yes, go ahead. FTS, can you confirm ESAD brake wire signals have not gone high?
FTS confirms ESAD brake wires have not gone high.
FTS, please confirm ESADs are saved.
I can go ahead and save them now via 1441.
Copy, please run alpha power external. BCG confirmed running alpha power external.
And the collar has reclamped as well there.
BC, please run alpha power external.
So we're
Copy.
continuing to listen in to the launch net there. As you can see, there was
Copy.
a hold right before liftoff. We do have a 30-minute window here, and right now we are waiting. Right now we're waiting to see if we can recycle within those 30 minutes. So we're going to continually... It's really tough not to talk over them, but I don't want to.
Yeah, it is difficult.
We're going to continue listening in, and we'll provide an update as soon as we can.
LC on CD1, we're going to try for that last window we did get moving.
Copy. GC, if we could trigger up on S1, S2 lock stopping.
Good copy.
BC, can we verify NV161 Charlie is closed? Closing. You can verify open NV235 Bravo. And close A2 SVNN. And then close NV spin vent. Cool. WV502 to relieve deluge pressure. You verify pumps are off.
All right, y'all. We've all been listening in to CD1 there, to the launch net, and we're all informed that today's Alpha launch has been scrubbed due to an issue with the ground release equipment. So a lot of things still going on. We've been letting you listen in. Morgan, what do the next steps look like here?
Yeah, so unfortunately this is just part of the game.
Yep.
So right now the team's going to work with the range and with our NASA customer to determine the next available window for launch. And our ground support team will assess the situation on the pad and will work to resolve the issue so we can launch as soon as we can.
Gotcha. All right. So again, if you're listening in, the current information is that Alpha's Flight 5 has been scrubbed for the day. Now, we are going to keep you informed with what's going on, including details on when the next launch date might be. Make sure you're following along on social media. It's Firefly_space over there. X, Twitter, whichever way you want to call it. Now, that is going to conclude today's broadcast coverage of Flight 5, of the Flight 5 attempt. Morgan, thank you so much for joining me.
Yeah, well, thank you for having me, and I'll see you again when we try this again.
All right, sounds good. Folks, thank you for watching as well. This is how it goes. You know the saying, you'd rather be on the ground wishing you were flying than flying wishing you were on the ground. And that's where we are right now. So we do appreciate you watching. Stay tuned to social media, and we will see you later.